All right, we have a super special video today. Super special because we get to talk about skincare.
Yeah.
Beauty products, actually. So we're going to be doing our 2018 roundup of our favorite beauty products.
Yes, so, and that's not makeup. It's just actual beauty products.
It's skincare, hair, skincare and hair, basically. But we've spent the entire year, 2018,
testing products for you guys.
Basically, trying out products, and we have made our decision on which ones we recommend you guys. Totally. And we're going to go through it. All right, where should we start?
Should we start from one side?
Sure.
Okay. I feel like lately in the wintertime I've been getting really dry skin, especially out of the shower. Mm-hmm. And I'm like too lazy to put lotion all over my body. So I've been really obsessed with the Aquaphor Ointment body spray.
Oh, I love the body sprays, guys. They're game changer. I have the
convenient.
Vaseline one.
I know. I used to use the Vaseline one, and then I switched over to Aquaphor. They're both really good. You just spray.
You get out, you're like,
the only thing is sometimes it's cold.
Yeah. It is. The aerosol.
But it's so amazing that I don't have to put lotion all over my body.
I know.
It saves time, and it's great for like if you're just lazy after a shower.
Yeah, every brand should literally come out with this. I use the Vaseline one. I haven't tried the Aquaphor. I should get the Aquaphor. The
Aquaphor is like next level nutrition,
really?
like hydration.
Vaseline is pretty hydrating.
Yeah.
But yeah, every brand should come up with the
game changer
spray versions.
I like cry when it's almost over.
All right, so makeup wipes. We've tried how many different kind of makeup wipes?
Every makeup wipe that's ever existed.
And the one thing for me when I use makeup wipes is my skin, I'm not much of a sensitive skin person, but it gets really irritated. My eyes get really watery. I don't know why. The Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes, don't do that.
And this is the only one where literally with one wipe, your makeup comes off. Other ones I'm like struggling and I keep wiping and wiping, and I use 3-4 wipes. One wipe and it can remove my entire makeup.
So definitely recommend this, you guys.
Yes. For hair, I love the Moroccan oil, the luminous one, the finishing spray. It's a medium one, so it's not like it's not like your hair doesn't look crunchy. Yeah. And you know what I mean? It's the perfect amount of hairspray. It smells so good, and I feel like it really helps my curls like stay
intact without it looking like curls.
Yeah, the only downside is it is a little expensive. It's $24, but I feel like it lasts a long time. I think buy it twice a year, so I feel like it's a good investment.
Mine lasts a year because I don't use as much hairspray.
And I have more hair and I curl my hair more often. Love Moroccan oil hairspray.
All right, you guys know I've been, I don't know if you know, but if you watch our Insta stories, you know, ever since our summer vacation, I removed my extensions and I was on the track. I've been on the track of growing my hair back to healthiness. And I mean, I've gone pretty far. My hair has grown a lot.
I feel like this is how your hair used to look with short extensions in.
Yeah, I've never had the front part of my hair be this long. Yeah. These are my bangs that are growing out. Guys, don't cut bangs. As much as it looks good, don't cut bangs. Just get those damn clip-ons. But it's grown this much, and when we were on vacation, it was up to here. Anyways, and it's about my hair being more healthy. And this brand, it's called Rene Furterer. I'm butchering the name. So it's basically like a 3-month program for sudden temporary thinning. It's a sudden temporary thinning hair program, concentrated serum for thinning hair. I feel like it really helped me
get your hair back on track.
Yeah, you guys, it was really, I think this whole thing is like around $70 or $60.
And this is also really helpful for women post baby when you lose a lot of your hair, which happens naturally.
And that's what mine was basically, because it was like 6 months after I had Aya, I looked at my hair and I had no hair. It was really sad, and now look at this. It's like so crazy, you guys. But I feel like this really helped it. And when I did post it on Insta stories, a lot of people messaged me telling me how amazing this product is. I only have 2 more left and I'm really sad. But what you do is you get out of the shower and you pop it open and you put it on your roots and bring it out and just kind of massage it into your roots.
I would need 10 of those because my hair's so long.
So, well, no, you don't need to put it on there. It's mainly
like on the roots? Yeah. Cool. Speaking of hair, another hair product that we cannot live without is our dry shampoo. And this one is the Klorane one. It's a dry shampoo with nettle. I am obsessed with this. Nora is obsessed with this. We buy 2, sometimes 3 at a time. This is hands down the best dry shampoo.
Don't even try buying other ones. I've bought so many different ones, like more expensive ones, more inexpensive ones.
Yeah.
This one is the one where it doesn't leave your hair powdery.
You don't get that weird streak of powder at all.
It doesn't make it like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like
residue,
it makes it,
like
yes, it's
yeah.
like too thick and
heavy. It actually
heavy.
does freshen up your hair, and it gives you volume. Like, your hair looks really nice with
it. And then it like buys you 2 more days.
Yeah. I'm on like day 10. No, not this time. I usually am.
All right. Next up is, I know I've mentioned this in the past before. It's the Clarins Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm.
Oh, your obsession.
It is seriously my obsession. Can you get me this for Christmas? I'm out. Like,
okay.
It's like really sad. It's like my empty bottle.
All right, I'll take the empty bottle.
Okay.
So remember.
Yeah. It is the best lip moisturizer ever, especially now during the wintertime. My lips are just always chapped.
Yeah.
And it's not even chapped, like the line of my lips are super dry. And
I'm
constantly,
you like feel it?
It's so bad. And this is the only thing that I could put on there, and it feels...
It's sad. It is empty.
It is
There's
empty.
no cap on it.
It's my second bottle. I'm so sad.
Okay. I'll hold on to this, so I'll remember to buy it for you for Christmas.
So yeah, best lip balm ever.
Even though it's wintertime or it's, the season is changing, I still get oily skin, especially when I have makeup on. So one moisturizer I recently discovered and have been using and loving is the Roche-Posay.
I love this brand.
I love this brand so much, and it's the daily moisturizer for oily skin. This is like a game changer. So I put this on anytime I'm gonna because I don't really care if my face looks kind of oily when I don't have makeup on, like if it's a casual day. But if I have makeup on, oily skin, it just ruins my entire look.
Mm-hmm.
So anytime I'm gonna wear makeup, or if I'm gonna have light makeup, heavy makeup, does not matter. I always use this moisturizer because it actually keeps my face really
It's
matte.
anti-shine and anti-enlarged pores, so
It's
it prevents
amazing, you guys.
having...
I'm so impressed. I just love this brand. You love this
Yeah.
brand, but this product specifically, I'm like really impressed with.
All right, another little sample bottle I have because I ran out of the big bottle. Everything's
You're just
so
like
sad
a
at my
sample
house.
order.
It's the Skinceuticals. If you guys watched my melasma video, you know that I am a ride or die Skinceuticals PHYTO corrective gel fan. I truly believe that this is what helped me get rid of my melasma.
Yeah.
Not get rid of it, but like lighten it up so much.
Such a dramatic change.
Yeah, so I'm a huge fan in this, and we'll put the link up of the video that I'm talking about. But highly recommend this if you suffer from discoloration or melasma. Oh my God, best moisturizer.
Another product that we both really love is the First Aid Beauty 5-in-1 Face Cream. This is a multitasker. That's why I like it. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, helps skin tone appear more even. It filters out UV rays, moisturizes, and combats free radicals. We both love this.
The reason I really love this is lately, because of the winter months, I already have around like combination dry skin.
Yeah.
But it's been super dry. Like you could even tell, like, look at my under eye.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy, right? The 5-in-1 face cream is so moisturizing.
Yeah.
It's on the thicker side too.
Which is actually why I use it at nighttime. I feel
how
like
thick that
for
is.
me, if you don't have really dry skin, this is so perfect for nighttime.
And this is just perfect. I use it day and night.
If I don't have makeup on, I'll use it during the day too.
And it really moisturizes it. I don't put anything else on.
And it has
I
SPF in it too.
Yeah, I don't use anything else but this, and it really moisturizes my skin. Usually I'm like, serum, oil, moisturizer, and it still barely works.
Yeah.
This is so good. I just use it as is.
It just feels very moisturizing.
Yeah, love it. All right, so Pixi.
Pixi's a good brand.
Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil is the best face mist that you could buy. It is...
You're obsessed with this.
I love it. This is like my 5th bottle or something.
I always forget to use it until you use it, and then I use it and remember how much I like it.
I use it, like, it's a multi-use for me. I use it while I'm applying my makeup. Like, I'll put my concealer on or my... foundation on, I'll spray it and then I'll blend it, and then I'll just have it to use on my skin like periodically throughout the day. So I like it because it has a little oil, so it moisturizes your skin while you're applying your makeup, but it doesn't make you oily. But I highly recommend it. They sell it at Target, you guys.
Okay, the Roche-Posay, again, we just love this brand so much. This serum is a serum I've been using lately, and it kind of like creates like volume. I feel like my face has been looking kind of like saggy and
like
sad
this?
and a little bit dull lately. So I've been using this serum on my face at nighttime. I really love it. I feel like it kind of like brings me back to life. Sometimes I use it during the daytime too. It just, I feel like it's kind of like plumping my skin up to look a little like healthy and fresh again, you know?
Like 20s?
It's just taking 10 years off my skin. Okay, next up is an eye cream that I've been using. If you guys know, I'm like really sensitive to eye creams and I'm very, very picky about my eye creams. This was actually a gift by a friend of ours who's a nurse who like strongly recommended it. And it's by Neo Cutis?
Yeah.
Can't see. And it's called the Micro Eyes Rejuvenating Cream. I've had like really hollow, dark under eye circles lately.
She's been complaining. You've been complaining about that.
And I've been using this every single night. I like it because it doesn't make my eyes watery. A lot of eye creams do that. And it's really thick, so I feel like it's really helping bring back like a little bit of life back to my under eyes.
Toddler mama life.
Toddler mama life.
I'm on the way there.
Yeah.
Next year.
I don't know what it is about this, but it's really been working wonders, and maybe that's why I don't look like I have dark circles right now.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom. All right, you guys. These are. Oh my god. How could I forget? Last but not least, the best.
Our favorite face wash in the entire world.
Face wash ever.
That's ever existed.
All right, you guys. It's the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. Super simple product. It's not. It doesn't have all this bells and whistles. It doesn't like. I don't know. It's just the best.
A little bit of this will take your entire face of makeup off. Like Nora actually discovered it and was like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. And I was like, okay, so I used it recently when we were on a trip together, and I'm like obsessed with this face wash now. It is so good.
The reason I love it, first of all, it's I think only like $20.
Okay.
The bigger bottle, and then they have the smaller bottle, which is $10. $12. So I love having that for travel.
Yeah.
But the reason I love this is my pet peeve on face washes is like I use a face wash to remove my makeup.
Yeah.
Let's be real. I don't need it to do anything else. I'm not gonna like. It's just there to
wash my face off. Yeah.
Wash my makeup off. I don't want to use a face wash to fake wash my face and then walk out and I have like nasty ass makeup on my face. This gets rid of everything, and like Ani said, it little goes such a long way, and it's very foamy. Have you noticed?
It is foamy, yeah. This is the best face wash, hands down. No other face wash comes even close.
Hashtag not sponsored.
It really isn't. We just love this face wash.
Yeah, Sephora, you guys. All right, so
cool. Okay, now you can say your closing.
These are our favorite beauty products of 2018. If there is a product that is not on this list that you guys love as much as Ani and I passionately love these products, you have to be as passionate as we were talking about these.
Then tell us about it.
Then leave a comment below because we really want to know what we're missing out on. And we will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, you guys. Click and subscribe.
Bye.
Love you.